Okay, I have something to show you. Right? Do you hear that? That is a homemade birthday card. And we are going to make cards just like this together at the birthday card making Palooza on March the 28th. I am so excited about this afternoon, and I really, really want you there. So let me tell you what it's about. The Palooza is a live crafting party on Zoom, 4 to 5 hours of us making gorgeous birthday cards together, step by step, with me guiding you the whole way. You'll walk away with 6 to 8 cards. Done. Beautiful. Ready to give. No more, oh no, it's somebody's birthday and I have nothing. You're going to have a stash and it's going to be beautiful. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. Shelley, that looks complicated. It really isn't, I promise you. My style is clear, step by step, and encouraging. We go at our own pace. I walk you through absolutely everything, whether you've been paper crafting for 20 years or you've just discovered that your trimmer exists. There is a seat at this table for you. Beginners, seasoned crafters, all of you, come on down. And for my experienced crafters who are thinking, Shelley, I've been doing this for years. What am I going to learn? 3 words. Bag of tricks. I'm always bringing something unexpected to the table. Techniques you haven't tried. Combinations you haven't thought of. My seasoned crafters are always leaving going, wow, I hadn't thought of doing it that way. Plus, and I cannot stress this enough, there is nothing like spending an afternoon crafting with people who just get it. That energy is real, even on Zoom. And if you're worried that you're the slowest one in the room, welcome to the club, friends. We're going to take breaks. We're going to give each other time. Happy little accidents are basically part of the agenda. And if you get frustrated, don't worry. Just sit back, watch the Zoom. That is what the replay is there for. You can go back, rewatch any part, and pick right up where you left off. Nobody is judging your color choices. Nobody is comparing your card to anyone else's. We're just making cards and having a genuinely great time. Now, if you're thinking, I can't give you 5 hours, Shelley. I have a busy life. Well, come for as much as you can. 1 hour, 2 cards, whatever works, because you're getting the full replay anyways. Pause, rewind, craft along with your pajamas on Sunday afternoon or Wednesday morning. The instructions are yours to keep and the cards get made anyways. Oh, and don't stress about supplies. As soon as you register, you'll receive the full supply list and so that you can have everything ready to go before we start. Now, there's a little bit of homework perhaps, but if you don't get it done, no biggie. If you do want to, sort of be a little bit ahead of the schedule and not have to panic quite so much, then you might want to do a few things. Again, it's all on the supply list. You don't have to worry. And you have that replay just in case you want to just sort of sit back, watch things go on, and finish the cards off at a later point in time. Put on that replay, finish it off whenever you can. Now, the whole point of the crafting session is to use what you have. We all have huge stashes of paper that we haven't used, or dies we haven't used, stamps that we haven't used. Well, this is your opportunity to try some of those out. Now, here's what I know about the people who are going to love this afternoon. You love making things with your hands. You love giving something personal, something that says, I thought about you. And maybe you just need someone to say, come on in, join us. Pull up a chair. We're going to make something beautiful together. So here's some cards. Here's some cards that we might be making. fun techniques, gorgeous results, and a really good time doing it. The Birthday Card Palooza is this Saturday, March the 28th at noon Pacific time. And if you use the coupon code Palooza, Palooza, at the checkout, you can save 10% off of your spot. The link is in the description below. And I would really love to have you there. Now, if you've got crafty friends who would love an afternoon like this, send this to them. Honestly, the more the merrier. That's what a party's all about. So I hope to see you this Saturday at noon Pacific time. We're going to have a great time. Bye.